Okay, y'all, look. It's been about about 4 days, and this man still hiccuping. He can hiccup in his sleep. This is ridiculous. I think he gonna have it for 10 years, like they said. This man had it for 10 years. So now he's gonna have it. Look at him. And he sleep. Y'all hear him snoring? Look at that little bitty nipple. I'm sorry, y'all. We supposed to be talking about the hiccups, and I'm talking about that little nipple. Look at the hiccups. That's crazy. I'm about to do CPR. Maybe it'll make it go away, huh? He need help. He done went to the hospital. They done tried something. That didn't work. How am I supposed to go to sleep with this going on? The bed just shaking for no apparent reason. Well, I ain't gonna say no apparent reason because he got the hiccups. Y'all need to help him. We need all our prayer warriors to get together and lay hands on him so he can be free of these hiccups. So I need the motherboard, the the choir, the deacon, the usher, everybody to lay hands on him. We need y'all to come together and help us because he need it right now. Because I can't go to sleep with this hiccuping going on. This is crazy. How can you snore and hiccup at the same time? That's some mad skills. Mad skills. Don't forget we need the pastor too. We need his help too.